is older off-gridders finding a way to make things a little bit easier is a big deal.
We're unboxing a small chainsaw someone sent for us to try.
And do a review on. So we shall see. I hope it's...
tell you what we really think. SAKER, S-A-K-E-R. And it is small.
Oh, it is small.
Yep.
And that's all there is to it right there?
That's all there is. This is the whole thing. We're still unboxing.
Here, let me get a good view. Mini electric chainsaw by SAKER. And
we don't know how big a branches or little logs it'll do, but I imagine pretty small ones. It'll be the smallest chainsaw electric chainsaw we have. We have a couple other ones. There's what it looks like.
Wait.
It's got a little bottle for oil.
Wait. Okay.
Got a little bottle for oiling. Oh, to recharge the batteries. Oh, and a little tool to tighten and loosen stuff. Battery. Yep, it is pretty small. But it do the branches on the trees pretty good, I imagine.
I would imagine. I gotta say, that's cute. It's the cutest little thing.
Yep. Yeah, it'll do maybe 2-inch branches.
Let me see.
Well, it gotta fit in there.
Well, your hand's in the way.
Yeah, but in between my hand there, that's about that big a branch.
Okay.
Would be the max, or you gotta cut and cut. It's got a small chain too. But it is sharp, gotta say that. And see, this is the tool for tightening and loosening this. And then oil. I guess you just drop the oil on the thing, but we'll read it and see what it says.
Yes.
I don't see a place for oil, or got a little safety button.
Oh.
And it's got a guard for your hands there from hitting on a tree or whatever.
Great.
And here's the instructions.
The destructions, huh?
Oh wait, there is a little screwdriver with it too.
Oh, cute.
And a pad.
A pad.
Okay, that's all it's in there.
Wow, it sure is tiny. I thought for sure it was a little bigger than that.
Little. I thought maybe 3 inches.
Wow.
But it's about maybe a 2-inch branch.
Okay, baby.
Okay. Well, it comes with the battery fully charged.
Great.
And it looks like the same battery as my Makita uses.
Really?
Got a safety button. I think it only has 1 speed. I don't see a switch for the speed. But it comes in and out. I'll just have to check where the plug-ins are for the Makita. I might be able to put the big Makita in. Oh, it's a 20 volt. I think the Makita's 18.
There you go. So that's a more powerful battery, huh?
Well, it's a little more volts. And a little plug-in. Does it plug into the battery or... I don't think so. It must plug into this. Maybe there's a little cover.
What about the little end piece, the cord piece?
On here.
That's a handle, I think.
Oh, right here.
Ah, to plug it in to charge
plug it in.
All right.
And then it shows to clean the bar with the, it's a little screwdriver, but it shows cleaning up in the bar where that part of the chain runs. And you just oil the chain. No automatic oiler. So that's why the little bottle, every once in a while, I drop a drop or two on it. Keeps the
Now, what
shine.
kind of oil would you use? I know you wouldn't.
It's a real light oil, like maybe 10.5 weight or so.
Oh, it's got a little bit in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you just drop a little bit on it.
Okay, I figured.
It's to keep it running in the guide good, and it keeps it cooler.
Well, I figured peanut oil wouldn't work.
Peanut oil would probably work okay for it.
Seriously.
But that's it. But peanut oil is more expensive than your cheap 5 weight or 10 weight's going to be.
Yeah.
It looks like the viscosity of it may be maybe close to 10 weight. Of it.
Oh, so you don't have to go all the way around the chain with oil.
No, it pulls it all the way around when you run it.
Oh, so you don't have to use your fingers or anything like that
so
to
then
spread
when
the
you go
oil?
like this, it pulls it all the way through the chain. That's pretty good.
Pretty darn good.
Pretty fast too.
Yeah, and I like the way that.
And that's perfect for our stove, 10 inches.
Hey, 10 inches for a wood-burning stove. Hey, Rob, let's do another one of those. Whoa. This is better here. And it's light. It's not real heavy. Right, Rob?
Not really.
Wow. I'm impressed.
This is a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Lay down.
Look at what Emma did, guys. She grabbed one.
This is a bit bigger. This one's about maybe 3 inches.
Yeah, Rob said that's about 3 inches. I'll show you. See how big that one is, guys? Is this a harder wood, or has it been drying longer? Or
This one's harder than the pine.
okay, that's what I was wondering. We're gonna cut this dead cherry tree that never took off. Boink, perfect. That didn't take long at all. And Emma took off with the tree. Here, Rob is trimming some of the branches, and we're gonna try to root them.
Yeah, that's what I don't like.
Yeah. Quick and easy, and it's lightweight. Yeah. was another tree, again, that the top part died, so we cut it down to where we have the living plant. Aren't they pretty?
I'm gonna turn this one inward.
This is our mulberry tree, and it's big. Rob's trimming up on the mulberry here. We had lots and lots of fruit this year. Okay.
Yeah, I don't like the way it does this one.
Yeah. We don't want to traumatize our trees here because they are so good to us, giving us such beautiful mulberries.
But it cuts bigger ones okay, but not the little ones.
Yeah, the bigger ones it cuts pretty darn good. Little ones just move too much. They're too flexible and bendable. I'm so glad Rob got the go-kart fixed. So, this is what we got cut. And we hope you enjoyed our review of this really cute little chainsaw that, as you've seen, works really well. The difference is we got the chainsaw and one battery charger. That's what they sent us. You will get, if you decide you want to order this, and it really is going to come in handy here. It's you get 2 batteries, you get extra chains, you get the whole kit. So even the little case to keep it in. I'll have the link in the description.
No.
Hopefully
Mama wants to try to grow some of those.
you're having a beautiful day today. I know we are. So enjoy it, and we will speak to you soon. Like, subscribe, and share if you like this video.